Welcome to the channel. Thanks for checking us out. Hope you stick around and watch some of our videos. It is Thursday, January 19th. It's about noon. I just got here to the shop. I'm gonna get buffing on the other side of the trailer here shortly. Daryn's supposed to be here later this afternoon or tonight. Plan is to probably mess around, do some things to this, get another step closer. We are waiting on the motor to get done at Dargie from its freshen up so we can put it in and start getting oil lines and fuel system figured out. We've been looking at the schedules that are coming out. There are 4 tracks that we consider local to us that are all within an hour from the shop here, being Peevely, Granite City, Highland, and Brownstown. And between those 4 tracks this year, there are 18 shows paying $5,000 or more to win. So gonna have some big races around home here, which will be nice. Won't have to travel as far. So still kind of putting the schedule together. Once we get it all planned out, we will let you guys know. So thanks for watching. Stick around, see what we're gonna do tonight. So we're gonna get going here shortly on this side of the trailer. Don't know if I said last week, but Barkeeper's Friend is what we're using to get the rust spots off the stainless, like here. This side don't seem to be as bad as the other side was. Doug and Dave went through and cleaned all this trim up, replaced some rivets, and then waxed it. So all I got to do is worry about the stainless. And I'm gonna try and get that done today. Might do a short clip of that. You pretty much saw what's entailed in that in the last video. But hang around, we got more coming. Well, I got this side done. Looks a little streaky to me, so we're gonna see what we can do about that. And then we have 2 spots that this will not come out. I don't know if that'll show up there or not, so we're gonna try and do something with them. Long process, but it's getting done.
We don't have it. Too big. We need an accessory bracket. Who's that?
Watching the Sunshine Nationals from Volusia.
Where do you think you go to?
I don't know. You go to that front leading edge of it? Or you want to go in the
right here
thick
to the
part?
Yeah, to the board. It's gonna be little.
Yeah, are you gonna be able to get enough bend in it to make it work?
Maybe the 2 favorites for tonight's A-game in the season opener here, at least to this point of the night. But a lot of other race cars in the pit area that are going to challenge this. Absolutely. Also a shocker. Who had that in the video?
You have your OSHA approved safety glasses on?
I'm just hacking and whacking. Sounds that way.
Tap it. Bend the Heim.
No, I think it's tap it.
AHD.com.
Current track record.
That's me.
By Bud Chanson, 17.948. So guys are good.
I have trust issues. I don't want my phone being on top of
In the
my
602 late model. So once again, we'll have Group A and Group B, 18 cars scheduled to go to Group A. So group qualifying, hot lap / qualifying, we'll call it. Again, this is going to set the starting lineups for the 4 futures. Right after the case construction rollout law late model races, we'll do 2 15-lap features. Once again, first car going out should be the Quentin Steedley machine. Quentin out of High Springs, Florida.
Thank you.
Number 7R machine for the feature event.
He don't get off till 6.
Group qualifying for the 602 late model.
Daryn got him some new gloves at the PRI show.
Beautiful weekend here at the
New receiver.
Nationals. We were here last night.
Neil got his belts coming for this.
Huh?
Neil got his belts coming for that.
Last night, huge car count. Beautiful looking race cars. These cars worked over the winter. Obviously a short winter for a lot of them. We're only in the middle of January. And we're already in full swing for the 2023 race.
That pretty much ain't an off season for some of them people.
Yeah, I'm gonna spend that $5 on some medicine to keep in your truck.
With annual sunshine.
Because I forget it too many times.
Come on.
You bottomed out on the threads.
Just that one. I'm trying to break it loose.
Yeah, this is.
Actually awaiting.
I think it got too long here.
To say, okay. Race control is ready.
Goes in front of the fuel cell.
Looks like our final
Keep the mud from building up on the fuel cell.
road for the 602 late model.
Man, I got all these lines locked up.
Daryn didn't like how his bracket was turning out, so he scrapped it. Gonna go back to the drawing board on that. So we put a line, straight line on the axle, on all new axles. That way we can pull it out and look at it and see if the axle is twisted any if we're on a rough track. Now the axle is going to twist a little bit, we know that, but if it's got a big twist in it, then we got to replace it. That's how, one of the ways we check it.
Look. Ooh. So what are you doing?
Wax them.
Oh.
The bars.
Can we do one section at a time?
Are we out of the bar station? The what? The bar keeper? No. You know where?
So what are we looking for?
It's called the Bars Keeper. Bars Keeper.
What's it look like?
It's a bottle
Oh,
your dad bought?
bars keeper.
I used it earlier.
Is it that spray bottle?
No. No, it's a cream looking.
Nope.
It's under that rag. Oh, shit. Would have bit me. It's okay. I'm not losing it.
So where does that go?
I don't know who rub it on here.
Oh, does that go underneath the wax?
Huh?
Does that go underneath the wax?
No, we do this first. And then follow up.
Oh.
So that's what the trailer did to me. So we got this side all done. It's been polished. It's got a coat of wax on it. We don't know why it's streaking. It's leaving streak marks. No matter how many times you try and wipe it off. Here, take this one. Use that side there and see what that does.
It's definitely streaking. There it goes.
Today is just not our day, Doug.
At this point, I ain't got nothing to lose. Is that the one I was using?
Yeah. It's clean side on that one side. We need to wash rags.
That actually seems to be working.
Yeah.
Other my arm's gonna fall off. I think that did it.
Yeah.
Let's try that again over here. Rest the panel.
This is the stuff he's using.
Jason, that did it.
Yeah, it looks a lot better.
Yeah, that took it all out. I could shave with that.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Getting some of our hooker harness stuff in. This is a protector that goes in front of the fuel cell, so the mud hits this and falls off instead of caking on the front of the fuel cell. And then these are brackets that go on this bar here and keeps the seat belts in the right position so they don't slide back and forth. So thank you, Hooker Harness, for that. Well, that's going to do it for tonight. Thanks for watching. I hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, drop us a comment. Let us know what you think. Let us know if there's something you want to see. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Share with your friends. And if you're not a subscriber, you can do so by hitting the picture of Daryn's race car in the lower right-hand corner. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you back next week.